a true treasure trove of AI trading. With us today in this clip, and as you'll see at the end of this section, you'll see that this site is literally a treasure trove, because this site doesn't only care about forex trading, but also about trading in the American market, meaning stocks, futures trading, ETFs, and more, many more. Let's get to know this treasure and what it offers. Okay, let's get started. As usual, if I see interaction and your comments below in the clip, I'll give you the name of this treasure in the first comment. Once you've logged in, the first thing you'll need to do is open a new account. It's best to open a new account. Next, let's move on to the section we're interested in, the daily buy and sell signals section. There's also MyRobots if you want to create your own trading bots. However, this option is paid, as this site offers free options, trial options, and paid options. You'll see it directs us to this window. In this window, we see recommendations. These are forex recommendations. You can change from here if you want recommendations for crypto stocks, ETFs, etc. We also see that it is necessary to pay attention to the day on which the recommendation was published. We see that this recommendation is recent and was published just today. We also need to note that the analysis and recommendations posted on this website are weekly recommendations and analysis for investors, meaning they are not speculative recommendations. Okay, let's come and click on this option. Then we'll be shown more details about the recommendation. The best thing about this site is that, for example, I'm interested in the NSDKD currency, for example. So if I click on this button that we saw a while ago, and then I come and click on Get Daily Signals, it tells me that I can customize the notifications that I receive about this currency and about any trading strategy, any analysis, any indicator, etc. But unfortunately, the feature that gives you much more accurate recommendations, meaning in shorter time frames, is paid. Okay, and if we come here from above and click on the AI trading tab like this, it gives me all the features related to AI trading, including the daily buy and sell signals. For example, if we click on AI robots again like this, it will give me the trading robots and statistics for each trading bot. Here on the left side, you can customize. The results that appear with you depend on the strategy. For example, clicking on the price action strategy gives me the bots that rely on the price action strategy. And also from here above, you can change the type of trading bot you want to use. The first generation is the best type of trading bot, and this confirms that. As you see the annual results obtained by these bots, you see that this bot, for example, achieves 132% annual profit. And you see that it has 288 trading days. With this tool, you can see with me, if you always click on AI trading and we come to the AI trend prediction engine, click on it like this, it directs me to this page. On this page, it gives me what you want for the coming week. Do you want the markets expected to be bullish, sideways meaning in accumulation, or those that are bearish? If we scroll down, we see that in this video, it explains the details that allow you to use this bot to get predictions, as well as some results they shared in this clip about this bot. We see that based on the bot's predictions, it expects the market to be bullish, meaning it lost one trade. What was that trade? Add to all this beauty, dear follower, that if you click AI trading again, but this time choose AI pattern search, it will give you a library of patterns on the chart. Well, the nice thing is that if you come and choose one of these models, it will search for it on the chart and give you the places where this model is located. Based on this model, you can predict what will happen next. For example, the flag model and so on. For example, we choose a flag model like this. This service is also paid and there is only a 14-day trial. And then it gives you some stock markets that have this pattern and the success rate of this pattern in achieving the goal. Add this feature, dear follower. If we click on Academia this time and direct us to ebooks, you will find many ebook models that explain a variety of things, a variety of strategies, a variety of indicators, and so on. Okay, if we click on Read Online, we'll be directed to this window. And we'll see, for example, this book on stochastic and RSI. It explains the details to me, and it's possible. Download it, but the download is paid. If you want the site name, don't forget to leave me a nice comment in the description below, and I will leave the site name in the first pinned comment. That's all for this section. If you are interested in trading with artificial intelligence or learning how to trade properly, don't forget to follow me.